Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Trade Tech Analysis, and you are watching Bitcoin analysis, and that is particularly to daily, weekly, and hourly analysis. We will understand how price is working and what can be our strategy in a positional way. We are not discussing intraday levels here. For the intraday, you can use our indicator, which are already outperforming well, especially the MAD indicator, which is market anomaly detector, sentiment cycle indicator, and dynamic scalping pro. These are the awesome indicators. These I've posted many times on TradingView about it. So I will leave my TradingView profile in the description box for you. So please go ahead and check it out. You will love them. Okay, so let's start the daily weekly analysis for BTC. So BTC, if you look at these wicks, so it clearly says that there is definitely a buying pressure from the bottom and there is a selling pressure from the top. So if I create a line like this, so this is the selling pressure, okay? And this is where every time it comes in this range and gets a declination, okay? So these are the key levels, and you can clearly see whenever it touches this level, it goes up in this range, and then again similar thing happened. Okay, there was a sharp recovery here, but it looks like this thing. It did a sharp recovery. It came back in this range, and so far looks like it. There is definitely selling pressure on the daily chart. You can see it here, right? So it may be possible that it may come in this range again, but let's see how much it can go. So this is the recent high and this is the recent low. Price is still in this range. So as you can see, it is still going towards 100%, that is 89,263, and it keeps on declining from above levels, right? As you can see, we had a first move here. Let me just draw it for you. So this was our first move. This is the sell area. Below 23.6%, it was definitely a sell to gain maximum points. Okay. So after that, what happened? It gave a pullback, that to around same range. It came to 61.8%. That is actually a deciding level always when price. So basically, it can go further up from here. It can go down up to 100% first, and it may go 114%, 27%. The maximum we can see in future, possibly, that is 161.8%. But right now we are just predicting. But these levels, all these levels that you see above or below, these are target come support or rejection levels. The way BTC will proceed with these levels, you will see the rejection. So you can see it took the rejection from 78.6% and even closed above 61%, 50% as well. But still, slowly and steadily, it is coming in this range again. So it might be possible that it touches this line again and go up, or this range and go up. And why I'm saying, because look at these candle formation, these are not strong as like these, okay, like these. To go down, it definitely should have the strong momentum as well. So this is anyway the Saturday candle. Friday was kind of I mean, look at the candle. Both candles open and close is just a few points, right? Even though there was a high and low wick there, but still. So I'm really not convinced with these candles. Uh, for going down, it definitely could be these kind of candles, whereas it is not there. So might be a chance it will trap people here or here and then again go up. So that we need to see when it happens. And we can talk about the levels as well, what these could be. Okay. So let me just remove these drawings first. So let's say if market goes, let's say we are talking about that this is the low for now. So what could be the higher level? So this is the level that you can think of. The rejection you can say, or the upper side levels. But let's say if we get a low around this in this range, then this line would be here. Okay. And in general, if you don't follow these Fibonacci level, this is the level to think of for going the price up again. That is 97,739. So positionally it can be strong if we get a closing above this level. Forget about the Fibonacci levels in that case. Okay. So what I feel, I mean, we definitely can have a selling kind of thing, but people will be trapped and then it can go up. For going down, it definitely has to give a closing below this range, and that to be a candle like this or like this. Then it can be a confirmation that price is going down. Okay, can closing not like this. Okay, this will definitely be a trap, and then market will again go up. Okay, so right now it is like A, B, C, D, E kind of waves are happening here. So it's actually consolidating, and when it consolidates on the above upper levels or the bottom levels, so it definitely creates a structure here. So when we get a closing above this level now, so that these area would be definitely a strong support. Okay, so let's take a look on the weekly chart as well. So for weekly, these are the closing, and you can see it's kind of not, means it is sideways, kind of sideways in this range, 1,04,000 to 93,671. But as you can see, there is a lower low formation as well. Instead of that, I can use a trend line, right? Something like this. Okay. So I think that can be crucial. It already took the rejection from these levels only. Okay. So this can be crucial, and plus it's obviously on the bottom side as well, right? Something like this. Hmm. Okay, so this is kind of structure. So let's see where we will get the breakout. Weekly breakout we are talking about, and it has to be a strong candle in that case. Okay, it is creating higher highs and lower lows. I mean, I'm not talking about the wicks here, I'm purely focusing on the closing. So like this. Okay, so if I do it, so this is the line. It is slightly below there, but we still have Saturday and Sunday, right? So let's see what's gonna happen. So it may be coming in more narrow range, and then it can break out upper side or the bound below side as well. Okay, so daily and weekly chart we've discussed. Let's go to hourly chart. Hourly chart definitely looks negative, lot of lower lows, but look at these candles and the volume. These nothing. Obviously, it is Saturday, Sunday. That is the reason. but it's creating lower lows from here, and it is concerning. So we have this trend line here. Yeah, that is more convincing one. Okay, so it is negative as long as below this line on the hourly chart. Okay, and so the level, yeah, this is around this level. This is moreover on the hourly chart. Yeah, we already have this level here. Yeah, and one more. Okay, so these are the support levels, and there is one more. It's kind of a range actually. Yep, it's kind of a range. So let me, instead of that, let me, this is for the shorter time frame. Okay, this one particularly is for the shorter time frame, so it can come in this range and then boom. Okay, but uh, no wonder if it can close below as well. Okay, so this is more about discussing the level. So I won't say that BTC is negative, but it's kind of consolidating. It's slightly sideways to negative. So let's see what happens in the next week. Basis on the weekly chart, it is definitely to look out the levels for. Okay, so this is gonna be the important uh, structure here. Okay, so let's see. So now, so we will discuss again in the next weekend how price is behaving in this range. Okay, I think it can be further in this range again. Okay, guys. With this, thank you so much and have a good day.